Welcome, dear friend of me, Samsung Galaxy M53, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. After that, tap on the volume panel, and here we have the ringtone volume panel. Just to mute our device ringtone, we should swipe this dot to the left side with our finger. Also we have the second way how we can do that. Just first but first be sure that this volume button control function is turned off, so just turn off the switcher, and after that bypass your down volume button here on the right side of your phone. You'll mute your device ringtone, and also you can do it by the third way. Just slide to the down this volume panel with your finger, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.